Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Zion. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Welcome to a new month, February full of love, and welcome to another edition of our Liga Hour. Oniadofo, Madam Ase, say Bibi Biara, or and then so Baba Bekayan, on I di Idumedi, Ayatuni Din, say Liga Away, Abamakwine. And they say, BWF Solicitors for na edu efiade bia yedi America ekotoa omo say omo mbra na omo mbɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛn. Ɛnɛ nso Sara yenya yenua bɛma pani ye papa baako pɛn ye nana ɔpɛ mu na nkasa ya ye bibia oda BWF Solicitors ɔyɛ senior partner prɛko pɛ na ɛnɛ ɔne yɛn ba bɛtwetwe nkɔmɔ yi. Megye di sɛ Ubenya ahokeka na watu nsa afrɛ ɔdɔfo bi, watu nsa afrɛ wonua bi, watu nsa afrɛ sɛ mombro na emre na aso sɛ yɛba abesua adeɛ na yafa nimdeɛ na yɛde ato anamon. Ene ɛyɛ me day 2 because subject na yɛba abɛtreat no dodoɔ na ehia saa nimdeɛ no. Enti mesrɛ bɔ mmɔden anato nsa frɛ obi. Yeti enche bia na yatete nsɛm a ɛkɔ so sɛ UK for ɛtoto nsa ɛfrɛ nurses for ɛtoto nsa ɛfrɛ teachers for ɛtoto kyerɛ sɛ ba ne nyinaa mu no yɛwɔ biribi a yɛfrɛ no invitation. Enti no menka bebree na mmom mɛtwɛn mɛfrɛ yɛ resource person yɛsan so ɛwɔ yɛ nuaba ketewa baako ɔno nso ɔdi akotene sɛ ɔno nso ɔbɛyɛ panimu na ɔno ɛno nso ɔwɔ ha na mɛfrɛ no etire na ɔno nso abɛyi ne ho edi ɛde akyerɛ mo na ansa na yɛbɛtoa so no mede nkyia kɛseɛ ɛma BWF Solicitors asɔyɛfoɔ mede ma obi biara ɛne wo nso so a ɔrehwɛ me na ɛmo mɛsa ka kyerɛ wo sɛ bɔ mmɔden a na to nsa frɛ obi sɛ ɛmere no aso. A very good morning to you, Uncle Ben. Patronema ho kwan na ode nkyia kɛseɛ ama etiefoɔ na ahwɛfoɔ na matito nsa abisabisa nneɛma fia bi na afei de yɛn de dwumadie no ahyɛ ase. Uncle Ben, patronema, good morning. Patromente one. The producer wɔ hɔ a mente Uncle Ben.
Okay.
Aha.
What's it, Mika?
Patra sisi aye.
Okay. Good morning, Manya.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chief for ne Enuanum ne Adofo Mabekaya. Good morning to everyone. Great to see you again. Today's topic is quite interesting. It's what we usually do, bring trending topics to people. And then a topic be usually and call for our problems, invitation letter, sponsorship letter. As I can say, and come trade amponya da manye yada wase Kwaku Owusu from Pong, Sheila and Padmore Adai and our lawyers sitting in support staff and so. And my no pay dear okay interesting topic yadeba na ya bo ya chere if at the end of it the letter na ya chro akọ British High Commissioner successful ya the betudwa may article being so maybe you know nyame adom to by next week and also by your website no na the letter no template account to be your pay be obeti me by no so what screen is so obeti me try photo na also what they are here timanya tea there and no
Uncle me dasi. We dia we bese wa obekire ye wi anu asa ma ya po a ye mfa nto ye ho. Inti sa na tie. It's all about love, loving the community. Inti sa na tie se ni Uncle me abeka no. Ye beko so enche bia. You see this month is full of love. Inti mesre o kire love no. Nye se o tade a cho bi na emom o twe na ba efidie so so ono so betie na on to ho anamom. Isan se onya nimdie a you see utwetwa je wo ho. Sa na tro konkro no kra ka kire say lack of knowledge make my people perish nti say unya knowledge ne dia on perish ne say ubenya nimde no wa ha okwa control letter ay invitation e be successful amount nti twi ben ye nansa na mesa ma anke ben aban mesre mo bibi kakra na me de betudwa e de amamo ene say medin kenk medin no eye manyeti baby manyeti na ofre me a meje wo so na ne tie ne say ya tete say students I wo krom ha no dodo na one thing or the other no omontumi antoa school ne so nti ato mo adwendwen na mo one co school no ana say wentumi enwie no na kire say school na enroll wo a wo ba ha no or say omoji omo sponsor efri won say no mo beji eden kwan ben na obedie na obeye na kire say esa say wo kofie na se ba ne se wontumi nkofie ana se wonye wadwen se obekofie dia ene yesi akonya wo ho a ye betumi eswitch sa o visa no e de ama ne ne wo aba beto skill worker visa ne so munyina nso munim skill worker visa what it comes the benefit a e de ba enti no ye betumi enya another sponsor na watwe aba skill worker visa ne so ana mpo se wewie wakoyi no we bomoden a wetwa uni no akwa we wie wa your graduation na mpo nya graduation si a wo pa adwuma na yenim se o graduate nso a wo 2 years a abana de be ma o se fa pa adwuma na ye uwia no akofie na we wie na wo ye adwuma no pese wo so wo switch enco skill migrant visa ne so akonya wo ho eno nso ukita saa ye betumi enya sponsor e the amount wo hwe me spread the good news ye betumi enya sponsor e the amount na waye ebi nso a na wo ye students omo ho kafo anase bibi na opese won so student husband no wentumi anko school no won so akwanya be na obetumi a se opese o ye care work ana support worker eno nso so akwanya wo ho a ye betumi a sponsor o ana enya sponsor e de amount na watumi etusa na mo no enti me nkasa nche ene ye mre ni swa na neoma ye beka ho asem no nso dɔɔso nti metwa so wa ha na afi matonsa afrɛ Uncle Ben no aba na ansa na obeba no memfa ntodwae de bia o free oman foforo so ekɔ oman foforo so a ye de bibi the invitation na invitation ya wo ma hora different types of invitation say school na invite you say adwuma na invite you say we busuafo na invite you a bia invitation no e wo ho na mom say e ba no normal visitors visa invitation na eya na de bia na ensem wo ho because eno nso akoye bibia wo kɔ na ya mfa amawo a ontumi apele enti no say wo kɔ a na say wo ma wo nan etintim Oma unai chese u ink no encontrol ye nimu na emunye pi na emunye sita nti wo de koto mu enimu a na chese kwan bi eni ho a omeka se debi ye mfa visitors visa no emfa emma ye nimu nso se this year ye kin foforo new kin a ya di no ba besi ade so ye kin Charles no oba be ye ni coronation or the invitation be man crofo be brave so I know a lot of people will be interested say omonso mbeba na omabe witness ne nyina ye invitation enti na ye behwe visitors visa home invitation no kwan a ye befa so a ubetumi edenya enti Uncle Ben mesa atwewa ba na ye topic a ye wo enene say how to make your visa application successful when producer where you from them with a professionally written sponsorship letter. Enti Uncle Ben metwa ma na emra wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu na me de nsɛm bi nso ebisebisa ho ho enti mpatwa wadaro ma kyerɛkyerɛ yi mu.
Okay, manya I'm sir by over 10 years ni our visitors visa no right of appeal free hall under the Nationality and Immigration Act 2002. No, you free hall international so we have visitors application. Na your ma you refuse to your ma right of appeal. Now 6 years ago, an immigration inspector or call Ghana and some other African countries. I know you're in a report to say, well, who said because a visitor's visa, no, any right of appeal per se, no, almost the quality of decision here very poor. Until refusing for be brave, I'll be oh yeah. Now, we have visitors requirement now. Visitors requirement and under immigration rules, you know, a friend appendix V. Appendix V, you know, they are relevant to the other kind of appendix V 4.1. Under 4.1, 5 categories or the type of visitors I will be to me under the eligibility requirement, you know. In addition to suitability, you know, you will be a friend a genuine visitor. The emphasis, you know, and then on what is the meaning of a genuine visitor. And so we have a visitor application now. Omo adibia omo hwe. Ye hwe eligibility now we scout there, but mostly omo ba nyina obia woni sika oba obeko no a part of the assessment of say we a genuine visitor. And 5.1 and 4.1, 5.1. So now important so we meet our requirements. The bottom line is so we as a visitor, we follow within one of 4 categories. Either say we a general visitor, and I say we a family visitor, and I say we a approved business engaged visitor, and I say we a transit visitor. Under the general visitor, no, you have a marriage visitor, you have study visitor. Only and I are short visitors. And within that grant, you have a child visitor. And also because of extra requirements, or penny and our guardian or banner honor, and also on a special category, or more additional requirement, and more paid engagement, and also our additional requirement because for 12 months at least. Some types of visitors you want to share with her. The share is say first of all, wo ba ubetimi akere say one may buy UK for a genuine reason. Genuine reason ebi ni say wo ba course. Ebi a wo ba course for 1 week and 2 weeks. Ebi ni say wo ba family event, maybe a wedding, a party, maybe a graduation ceremony, outdooring, and I say over on holiday. Holiday, exactly then within the broad outline, forms now were failing, space now was no, and shadow and also. And to be more because space and also, there was a way, maybe a friend invitation letter, and I yes, your friend either sponsorship letter, and I say cover letter. And now your emphasis on it, then whatever share, sponsorship and invitation letter. No. The first thing I was saying, say, wo a share, say, watch, say, wo bit me, asha wo, at our tickets, or into financial requirement. 2, accommodation, or maybe our better. It I say a hotel, Airbnb, family member, and as a friend. 3, idea will be the purpose of the visit. I was so explaining with evidence. It is a wedding invitation. Maybe a horn I book, and it's a name, over graduation, graduation letter, over checkups, hospital consultant, and a letter, over for a short course, your friend a study visit, and also with your fees, who sky just with your fees, and it's a name, wouldn't account. When you say the way, I was exactly the entire chess of Baobeko. Argument to your friend submissions. Argument now we and say, okay, typical case, in this case, a rebate on one business in the healthcare industry and beauty. And I Wabaha 5 times, but in the last 2 visitors application, no refuse to read. Now back calls, refuse to for no particular reason. apart from the fact that the bank statements are or the actual and say scanner and idea because first of all, or the business bank statement in the share, and or transfer scanner from business bank statement, to the private bank statement, and then someone refuse to, or the we no prayer, or the prayer, the year in, and see a share letter, yeah, the coin. And the first thing is our reference number or din or date of birth. And I actually maybe I day call into a call TLS Contact UK a scan and hub. I will but Ghana and the call yeah. To Shemwa, first paragraph actually idea or your application under V 4.1 to V 4.10. Okwa brief background. Into a brief background now. Now, may extremo what you should be doing. The brief background, nipa no ne bobie ene na setena mu. To hwe mu waware or nkola mienu odin wo ho, omo date of birth wo ho. Maybe omo ware wo ye de ahye ho. Our client and a family omo at a detached single story. So that letter, it was almost about 12 pages. Now that tells you the quality of information I was with the count. For visitors visa there, but the information I was with the count. We go through into your court, the second page. Even first page, you a lawyer or not running the business. The second page, reason for study visit. Very important. So we'll be explaining reason to our day. Ti ɔno na ɔba for study yɛde ahyɛ hɔ sɛ study no ɔba a enhance the profile ɛbɛma the business no grow wei obi ɔmo refuse no twice within 6 months. So the next one no financial evidence and support mohwɛ adeɛ a yɛayɛ okay into the flight cost yɛstate transportation within UK yɛstate food for 10 days yɛstate cost of training yɛstate tools for training, estate, business account, the financials. Under financials, no. Our business account. So because running our business, as part of the business, ska, which was about 20,000 cedis at the end of the year, almost 60,000 Ghana cedis as a bonus. You're breaking down. In addition to the business account, our pound and sterling account, you're breaking it down little by little, taking every important item below that, Ubehu said, our personal account. Now, you find a business account, you find a sterling account, you find a dollar account, you find a personal account. The personal account, scale womb, your state, send a scan of bemu, in addition to sign a personal account, our personal treasury bills. Treasury bills, is stating the value, 20% interest rate. Sky, the Bemano, is stating from there, within the rules, case of CIMAT Dayo, 2012 citation, Home Office guidance notes, Home Office rules, Emma is a genuine visitor now. Within the genuine visitor, almost expected what to coin before I was so sure. Into any coin or the other UK. 2001, or by from this date to this date, visit. 2002, or by 2000 and whatever, or by no working holiday. 2000 and whatever, or by tomorrow will say the in our show, we will be how about UK that, but no may refuse it twice. Recently, as recent as last year, twice within 6 months. We're shading in I heard a Juma ye kofoma ube hu ade a ye de asan hye ho ukofoma ube hu se ye bibi ye friend of past applications and refusal ye dealing with the refuser na or refusal no o here reason o de ama ye challenging reason no enti you go through you explain nyina the entia omo previous refusal no what challenge what my reasons what cited case law and answer we use immigration rules no but for your purpose no You don't have to cite the case law or use the immigration rules, but obet me attack or reason for previous refusal. No, you're dealing with you cut down, you cut down. Ubehu, you cut down. Ningina, ewo yes, we submit that our client has enclosed a personal bank statement. Crucial. Because the first refusal no, was because Owusu business bank statement. The second one no, was Owusu personal bank statement. But while explaining the reason for transfers, I have Oko from Bioma, yes, I explaining validity of the application. No, was explaining in a Osha, a very crucial, say a honor so yabe cover. So we have validity requirement, where you can law, yanka, way you break it be down, kakra, yanko ase, oko, a honor so, you refer to omo law, no, you lose omo law, suitability, omiti, you call, sa, na conclusion. End of way no a conclusion. Enti so wo conclude a watchere the nti oyɛ genuine visitor. Watchere the nti a ofo say was the man. What cover sa aspect ni nyina. Yen call last page. To call last page now. Obehu say in addition to yen submissions na ya no last page. Obehu list of documents. Okay? Skip. Take it away. Yeah. Yeah, we'll put a name there. Now, list of documents now yeah, dear Bahono. Ubehu say yeah, the personal bank statement, business bank statement, yeah, the children's birth certificate, yeah, the marriage certificate, yeah, the ownership of the properties, yeah, the residence order, school letter now, sombra, fee, how long I will be, evidence of previous travel to the UK, evidence of previous travel to other countries, including America, Canada, and Turkey. We explain now. Your letter, and as I said, it was about 11 or 12 pages. The idea may be 9 because me name be brave free mo. The bottom line is within the rules, you know, we are allowed so be explainable. And yes, we allow class to be explainable. A requirement so be explaining the amount a genuine visitor a chance oba obeko. Timanya ti we ana me person me explain.
Yo, Uncle Ben, that's it. Now, so letter, a full booklet. Yeah, you have to write just for visiting another country. No, Uncle Ben, who is supposed to write this letter?
And who is supposed to write this letter first of all? No, say family visitor, and aware or family member no or invited. No. So we on a paid engagement. Go bet me about for 12 months. I will be a lecturer or a scientist or a research. Or more invited. So we be 20 business na invited. So we be study school now we be study. So we for marriage. One I will be throw a letter with evidence of a whole now we invitation letter plans are my year the reception bookings are my nina home now what they are checking. However, now as I keep saying, the entire program is you be empower mo na mo amaye because what the basi yema you be charge what they call lawyer be or be charge and I mean person what they call buge ni before no akotwero nsem na cause a problem because so what the near maybe could count and ye be I was all the count now you be so bahada wa apply that now we now one kind of crowd it may bow for about 10 years so why a misrepresentation and I will use a false document I didn't say a crucial so we yes application now when you be bekasa at the very minimum no only lawyer bekasa now lawyer not take you through all the steps a bit me our application no I am very successful. But the bottom line is, we so bit me actual letter. No, but information now we hear we no. Nipa no wahano and also this information no amount. Timanye, dear no.
Okay, yo, Uncle Ben, yenya atias, yes, sir. Because letter tintin we dear, ubebisa, na se information, mean to mean gadaya, mede a providing. So if nipa kwa or invite ona or say otro sa let otro sa booklet letter ya na say letter of invitation, I would have betray. Na just say most of the information na was so no. When I saw the man sponsor no, and I said I don't know if I got that bit right. Some information I will can especially maybe you've been refused before, and I say few items will letter national. One I say wo the ma nipa kwa or ma invitation no on put all these things was a letter no mo ansa na wa present ama na wa kwa present account document no. But just as I net here.
Yes, so your application, your
Yeah.
responsibility.
Okay.
Be a wodi shame biara no, your responsibility. Say your agent o, say your lawyer o, say your one o. Asɛm bi a yɛtwerɛ gu so biara no, ɛyɛ wo na watwerɛ. Enti
Okay.
sɛ woretwerɛ letter yi a, wohwɛ your client yi a the background information no, ɔno na ɔwɔ sɛ ɔde ma yɛn.
Uh-huh.
Ma mohwɛ wɔ mu a ɔba abɛtena ne sister hɔ.
Okay.
Yɛde ne sister own ne property, yɛde saa details no aka ho. Nti ɛno ne sister a ɔwɔ ha no na ɔde ma yɛn.
Okay.
Number of bedrooms ɛwɔ fie hɔ, ne sister na ɔde ma yɛn. Ne sister bank statement, ne sister na ɔde ma yɛn. Previous refusals, ɔno na ɔyɛ an application, ɔno na ɔde ma yɛn. Copies of
That's
previous application, ɔno na ɔde ma yɛn. Nti ɛyɛ collaborative process. Nipa na ɔwɔ ha no ɛbɛma wo information. Nipa na ɔno nso yɛ an application no, ɔno nso bɛma wo information.
okay.
Ebi wɔ hɔ a you even have to go beyond that. Because why your previous applications are ayɛ a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu previous application a wɔyɛeɛ no. Sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a wonkɔtwa ntorɔ this time. Na ɔmo use you against wo ne mfa mbaa wo. Within all this no, deɛ ehia ne sɛ candor, and candor. Yɛka sɛ candor a nokoredie. Ebi a wotwerɛ biara no nokoredie. Obi wɔ hɔ a wobɛsɛ wanya problem. Wobisa na ade a de hyɛ form no so ɔsɛ menim ɔsɛ agent na yɛ maa me. And those are things that sometimes a hard one. Because agent na yɛ maa wa. You're interested in information on the hyɛ so. Ma no ma wo
Yes.
copy of the application. Sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ in future no, ɛba sɛ woyɛ application foforɔ a, wowɔ the same data information. Sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a wonkɔtwa ntorɔ. And it's very, very crucial. Say application no bɛyɛ successful a, ɛyɛ evidence, documents, information, data, explanation, clarification, and a justification. Saa nneɛma hyɛ ne nyinaa ɛyɛ very important. Sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛma wo application no ayɛ successful.
Uncle Ben, that's what all my lyrics so. Bibi a shen be a very important in our application. Stand it yeah. Any other Uncle Ben, because so say I feel no what joining ya Mr. Your legal hours so na you're streaming or BWF solicitors for Facebook Live, your BW radio or BW TV. So sounds na abawa radio so streaming live into Mesremo. Some baswa se utie wo you can say Facebook so na phone so a bomode ana share ma obi nso enya ho akonya no onya sa nimdie because dodo na ye pese ye invitation say ye nim say bibi say kra tete no nanka ye nim me kai those days a minimum na ye blue paper bi how do we even call that paper letter bibi na watro bibi kitwe bi 2-3 lines bi keke no a now the call post office now I send yes so I send invitation unya wa Ghana now we ni age now the account document no ho na wo akwakwado visa yes straight for but sisi ano ato yen esetro no nso a wo betro for this invitation no and that form sir share information and ben dia ba betu dwa na kire say it requires a lot of information and sana ebe convince case worker no waka say ampa we genuine visitor into or the bema Nti some information no na ye di ho komo wa ha say den na wo say wodi go so anke ma be tretre mu na se wo pese wo ye a information be fi ni pa ko sponsor o any one kasa information so a be free wo ho na ye di ni nyina egu so na ye di akọ kan application ho na wo di akọ no ehia eho na ye di ho enkomo wa ha nti afi no adwene a mesre bomodin a wo question bi a pese obisa ye bie telephone lines na obetumi aba bebisa na se embia baby awo no untumi use telephone line ye se wo hwe won e wo stream ni so as Facebook or YouTube a bomodian na type of question nso e de ba ho sanso na me bie telephone line metro baby a wo voice note embia obetumi eja WhatsApp voice note kakra na de abeto ho na eno nso ye betie na ya ma wo answer enti sa na tie anke ben wa chechem se wa kire yen the general requirement a ehia e wo sa visitors invitation mo sanso no wa kire senior invitation ankasa etie ene ne tententen a wo de amaye wa kire nipa ko a esese ono nso etro letter no say your responsibility say ye nipa ko invite on responsibility say see misro yen hwe tips a so what person will trust such successful visitors visa invitation letter my tips kakra mbia na afe na obi join yen afe na obi nso kra ba beto so a ye ka tips a na kire say nyoma straightforward bia na say nyoma nkitinkiti bia ehia pa say wo de ka ho a na afe de wo letter no id mu na ansa na wakwa ko present ntanka be mpacho obetumi akọwechi we reverse kitu ebi man na fa eno nso betu dwama yinka ye ni beje pa mpacho wadaroma.
Okay, manye anti se obi 80 a or pen a obetimi afa. Anti first of all no, then I will apply for. To will apply for visitors visa. That is the first thing. Or apply for visitors visa. Anti brofo no se na wo brofo no te no obetimi e de ahye so. Ti wo brofo no a o kano so we apply for visitors visa. That's the first thing. We apply for visitors visa no. O purpose for visitors visa no den. Enti o purpose no ne say wo ba UK, wo ba besra wo maame, wo papa, wo nua, wo anase wo ba holiday. Reason for visit. Reason for visit no, why explaining from hono rules na ye kan no say wo say wo sika wudi e wo say wo ba bia wo betena e wo say wo kire say wo ba wo bekọ no sen na wo ka e wo sa anema no ho sika be na wo ti wa fa bank statement e ho bank statement a sabe we adwuma e bia we school teacher e wo Ghana enti we pay no e about 3,500 because wa worry be bia be ma no e bia ono nso ye adwuma wo bank ono nso ni pay about 15,000 cedis for Ghana. Tinya wo nkwa o bank statement kwa na wo de kire. Wo di ukun so de kire. O bank statement ye hu say one day be 50,000 be beto mu. Another day 20,000 be beto mu. Within the last 1 year no, when you scatter 250,000 from account be. If he na size can beto mu. Into why explain it. Yes, me invest in treasury bills. Me 180-day treasury bills. Me 30-day treasury bills. Aso ya di amame. And I said me to government bonds to be coupon no 26% interest rate. Government bond a me to no proof nini. Interest a me nya wo coupon no so no proof nini. Anything na says ka we beto. And I said me ku ye cocoa farmer. Enti busumu we no or transfer scale from on account at the me account. Sana beya metimi edi bia chop money. And I say or the boame and I a gift from my husband. Ebia na ye wadwuma mu ana sponsor. Enti wadwuma no e de says kana ma say e per diem. Ti per diem no over UK a ebia ya ma obe 2,000 for shopping ne hotel. Ti ye discount to account nim. Prove sa de no. O bank statement no item bia was bia unusual. Ideally, no, ska bemu anahu ye di free mu. Why explain item by item? Misremo, emphasis na your personal account. Meaning, mo amoye kwaku menu enterprise, ewo kanishi. O kanshi people's shop. One man business, sole proprietorship. No. Misremo. Meaning, say, you money or dear. Menim sɛ wode wo nsa bom de wo sika. Menim sɛ Okanshi Enterprise bank statement no. Saa account no wokɔyi sika wɔ ma obiara ni hɔ bɛchallenge wo. Ba mesrɛ wo. Business no and personal account no ɔmo yɛ two different evidence. Yɛmpɛ wo business account no ane nyɛ no na wode ba ha. Yes, business no na ɛtɔ ticket ama wo ayɛ bibia. But yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu wɔ personal account. Enti sɛ business no wayɛ agya menu enterprise wotɔn spare parts ɛwɔ Kagyetia anaasɛ Kumase. Saa spare parts na year ebi a wotɔn spare parts bɛyɛ 1.5 million. Wo account no mu ɛfɛ, yɛhu sɛ mu ɛfɛ. Bɛsika no nyɛ wo dea because ɛsika no ebi tua tax, ebi tua staff, ebi tua goods. Ɛno nti na sɛ sika no nyɛ wo dea. Sika a ɛyɛ wo dea no yɛde gu account no. Na mmom sɛ wode agya menu sika no bi bɛgu account no a ɛyɛ okay. But explain sɛ saa 100,000 a wode abɛto account no. Business here ɛyɛ wo dea a yɛhwɛ business registration document ɛyɛ wo dea no. Wo ana watua wo ho 100,000. Obi ntimi question watua about account no. Ɛyɛ genuine transfer. Na woyɛ staff ɛwɔ agya menu enterprise. Na ɔmo send normal amount 50,000 Ghana ɛwɔ wɔ account ma. Ma yɛnhu saa de no. Yɛhia ɔmo business account no pɛ. Yɛhia letter ɛkyerɛ sɛ date say no mohwɛ account na yɛ transfer 50 from agya menu enterprise to Mary Forson. Mary Forson ɔkɔ holiday or staff member to support ayɛde ma no. Ebi obesua adeɛ anaasɛ ɔbɛtɔ adeɛ. Wɔwie no kyerɛ wo bɔbea woyɛ hwanea. Ti woyɛ frɛ na Owusu. Na Owusu wowɔ dan ɛwɔ ebi Atema community 4. Wowɔ 2-bedroom. Wotɔ no those days 50,000. Sisi adan no yɛ worth about $120,000. Wowɔ ho papers. Wode akyerɛ. Wokun yɛ adwuma wɔ bank. Ɔgye 15,000 Ghana a month. Wode ne bank statements akyerɛ for 6 months or 1 year. Wode mo marriage certificate aka ho. Mo wɔ mma mmienu, baako adi 4, baako adi 1. Wode ne nyinaa ka ho. Yɛbisa wɔ form no so sɛ wo no wo pay no ahe na wodi wɔ mu. Wo pay nyinaa yɛ 2,500. Also sɛ wodi 5,000. Already no what disqualify wo ho. But wode wo kun bank statement wo gye 2,500 na wo kun gye 15,000. Wode ka ho abɛyɛ 17,500. Enti a month no sɛ mo household expenditure ɛyɛ 5,000. Eka 12,500. This is why I was connecting all the dots. I was a cover letter no so. We no then I will buy to me ba me mama ho me hu me mama ache. Me mama atena UK 30 years. Nanse ABI diagnosed with Alzheimer's and also dementia. She's not doing very well. GP actual letter. And I me ba my sister ho. My sister I won't for she's struggling to me ba man moral support. And I said, my Baba man support. Or in the corner break it up to your struggle, my Baba man support. And I said, good news. My sister Baba worry, my brother Baba worry. And I said, my wife I say Baba worry, my ba Abe Buano. Nina no a very, very important information. I also would go sa letter no so. Miss Rel, true story no. What a brofono a buga buga kra. For buga buga no true. Come on, be out the true biano. You sure say what evidence. Men kase yetua oka 15,000 wabra we pay slips. Men kase wukun ay spare parts dealer a year no onya 200,000 Ghana cedis. Wabra won fa evidence na nkyere. Yes say oh ya kyerɛ we see na whatever twi no entwa yi papa but whatever it is no wo kyerɛ de wo kana for evidence no bata ho. Wo bu ni nyina no ka kyerɛ won say me agya ko ni mo mukromo ho no nya de me ba betena ho. Me was spare parts business. Me wo Konimo enterprise. Idea me do afuo me ye cocoa farmer. And me ye people's teacher. And I JSS teacher. Me pay me. Ya makwan na meko ti me kwa meba. Ana sabio bibi kakra wo ho. One o yere mo pesa, one o dof mo pesa mo be ware wo UK. Okay. So we beba ye wo wedding wo UK. When o ba ni nyina beba. And now the bear man mo beba. Sika udi obe high hall playing fair plane fare check date na wo dey ba no ko airlines na airline bi a wo be use bi ya no koso Opodo all the airlines nti wo use Opodo a abema the average cost for flights no print eno ka ho say date ya me pese me koi say na flight na be cost me anya ade a wo boat me keke wo the evidence ni nyina wa upload edo call upload hub na ye no omo upload nyina bingo we application no are successful.
Yeah, that's it. Uncle Ben, with the it's more than we were say our class my etc. Dear. Sanet here, menya who say be mo bisa say how would they get the copy? Hey, open copy now, share my program, share it. Bomadi share money per 100 and son of beji copy. Yes, I me sabotage copy maton. Your fat Uncle Ben, Mr. With the Miami business. Copy no, yes, you can get senior what drafting no you bet me just or say you in your man information. There are delicate information kakra uma you free mo na wa do the share ho and as a wash a template ne so na one kasa wo de aye wo de nti dodo na e bisa me say how can we get the copy no come and see me meton ama enye ntokwa yo ye kwa nim ye nhwe ye ka ne sen dodo na abaso no. This is a straightforward application and I to me actually mo into me questions then you know cover all the areas me person me bisa no na mom won so me nim wadwen mo niema o dwendwen senka wo be bisa enti no maybe telephone lines na ma wakonya na obetumi nsem bia reba no enye by force say ne adekode a yesua no eno ho asem na opese wo bisa embia na bibi foforo na e kire wadwen so akonya da ho a obetumi afrɛ na wabebisa sɛ wo frɛ nso na sɛbi obi gyina so ɛyɛ a na wanya abotrɛ kakra ama nipa ko no ɔkasa wie na ɔde to so a na wo nso wabɔ awura mu na ama na ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ yɛnkɔ so na yɛnhwɛ platform ne so dodoɔ na aba so a ɔmode nkyia kɛseɛ ɛma yɛn nyinaa no yɛn nua bɛrima panyin Nana Agyeman ɔse monhyɛ good morning Uncle Ben good morning na amanyɛ Nana Agyeman yɛgye wo so wasan bɔro kɔ fɛfɛɛfɛ ɛwɔ hɔ gyinadu sɛ dɔkasadom Abna Inshiraba and so say good morning, Uncle Ben. Abna Inshiraba one chiami on Timmy Buefu. Sandra, Yemia Bas, Papa B, and Secretary Papa B, or say good morning, beautiful mania, and my fellow viewers. Please share when you join. Please, we are counting on you all. And no correct. Enimdie we unkwa memfa bomode ana obi nso enkoso eya na emi nwanwa ankben sometimes information bi a enhye den hia some information no meda menyane no na nipa more than 100 ama me the same information embia na bibi kitwe bi a it's not really necessary inteya me bisa se programs ya ye me da bempa na mehu so obi a share na abedu me so like mehu se nipa ko no onim po se ye mia na wa share na abeka me eya de bia medwene ho enti se ne mo share there are few nyoma bi a wo hu se ade we de hia wo hu kra obi share ma na hu pa na obuefu and so I won't share the amount but when it comes to important information ebebua o esevi obi abrabo ama obi etumi abe hu ne nua bi wa broche ni papa bi ni brother bi ni nebusuani bi school bi program bi no eno de ye nhye o enti mesremo enti na me kan letter no template no meton anyway but wa ba so mami 2 minutes me ba why abina nshira bo say Uncle Ben can okay maybe say question very soon na say ken so say we salute you say and no credo kasabem adom so good morning Uncle Ben and manye na tin sanetie enti dodo no me I'll read it as we go on na question wo so maybe say the amount enti why me first caller no me ma happy new month yes February month of love enti share me love by sharing the program before I answer you mpacho wa share na
oh by shefa ebo na mo let into toss na me what
Mati yo nti mpacho bisa o question no mami why
yo my tea any Uncle Ben mpacho bicho bibia
ye joso
mpacho my tea mpacho mana ento Uncle Ben mami mpacho me nua ba ko ye visiting visa na visiting visa no omo refuse no me kura me tinchen kura like I am we kakra omo asem ni na ne say ne bank statement no do call omo refuse no 4 times
exactly
yes 4 times no first one more reason more yen baby are all kono when buki and like when buki and Chesicano anka but obuki bi buki ni na free ones ni nya and obuki but say when show evidence okay and then change second one no yeah no so no almost say almost refuse no because all year statement no first all fill forms no okay wo me say we na oba be di no sika na oba be use no ye sika na o use no a month no o use maybe in fact say 1,000 Ghana cedi but 1,000 Ghana cedi no sika o draw wo no o stand bank statement no more than 1,000 Ghana cedi no so no o refuse no
okay
third one no so no o ye no so no almost say friend saying one fa bibia anka but last one I refuse na offense almost say sika eba na account ni na cash deposit because Ghana no o say Ghana no
o dey yet ho na se nti no ko hwe account next one no na yenko
yes the last way no refuse no almost say cash deposit na like almost refuse no
okay
like I want the bank we no almost refuse no
okay
and na keke and no refuse no na mbisa ankeben say so the lawyer a bit my possible so much challenge na sa kind of cash deposit na mo kana na
yo papa yeah
so be better dia o show evidence
meti ase se o shop o tonton ade so ho and na anka me abekire statement no kwan a o se wo fa so de ye sika na odi tutu no o de anka me abekire wa se yenim se Ghana dodo na wo shop a they pay by cash nti ubo sika na no akọ deposit cash eno so wo ho but ne nyina depending how you put this information on your invitation and as a statement and our covering letter now they count nti anka be church mo why
well statement or the channel your business account na
pacho there be
na sa cash deposit wo the personal account na cash deposit ban
no ye pacho
anke be be say cash deposit now the go mu no e dey cash deposit
you know the personal account
cash deposit ban cash in free him
cash no ye to say bia obi abetwa de won nchen nti no every 3 days bia ko bank na bia obi abetwa de no or the scan ko bank or no
ain't a business account a personal account but running is a business account
personal account yes pacho
now you see this is the problem with what is going on a personal account but all running is a business account because we say or ton adena no this kind of kotum and I yes
yes pacho I am by
it's a business account it doesn't matter say I don't know a personal account but all running is a business account. Okay, let me just come back. First of all, I was here differentiating between business account and personal account. Or personal account, won't tell idea fan kugum. It is our personal account that we use to run business. I was all another accountant, we did it. The issue to do with the business account are totally different. Issue to do with your personal account is totally different. I'm not surprised I'm refusing 4 times or 3 times because on and we find that with a lot of our people, which basically banks are working on a crucial account, now you business account amount because you was a run a business account, it was a run a personal account. So we will be our tone idea, I also will be a business account. On fa business can include or personal account. Would the gumu pet naturally say a business account to run our personal account for business? That is the only explanation. In this case, still on being insisted with the invoices. Anything I was our personal account. What I've also found out is almost 99% of Omo trading organ and tax. Almost. Apart from normal dues they don't pay anything. Tinka utia taxa, kaube an accountant and I accounts a man. Without invoices and receipts, account our file our HM revenue GRA, Ghana Revenue Authority to be used so as part of your business income.
Yes.
Narrative man say and the support too. And because some run sole proprietorship, scanner eba na bi na we tua ho, but sadly they don't pay tax because minimum be a month onya 12,000 from piggery onya more. Or a teacher nso teacher omo tua na 2,000 in piggery scanner and a man income, but because on declare scanner bar no and say we and as I keep saying, what I found out is that over 90% of omo trading, omo tua tax, omo tua. And open say we used to say our personal account, for our application now. I was all running a year. I was say, the personal account from the personal account. Because the other personal account is a business account. It was all to team na otua ne ho year na yehwe na yetimi de boano. Why?
Okay. Me did this all Betsy. Na patrol ujina so mami 2 minutes. Na me can yen Facebook questions ne kakra because
Yeah.
omudi baye
And I
omudi
put it
ka
there.
baye. Enti yenua ba your friend is saying abena inshira ba osi Uncle Ben, can you apply for naturalization together with your 2 kids? The kids are born here and their age 11 and 9. Yeah, one more. Some of them here naturalization. And I'm Pachanko Ben. Ubetime you ni muama ni kakra.
So, Nkolano nya British from birth under section 11B. Also, your application for registration. Registration, no, for Nkolanda 18. To wo ye wo de na obetime de Nkolana ka ho. Wo fill forms na I say wo pesa wo de akwala bi ka ho. Omo forms no totally different from yours. But yes, we your application now obetime de obaka ho.
Okay, you. Other for one so Pacho betime bisa o question na Uncle Ben you are why?
Yo, Mpacho, good morning.
Good morning.
Nyamicha Ubia, BF Solicitors.
Amen.
Mpacho, Uncle Ben, I'm just a big question, Mano. Mpacho, any ama Uncle Ben, boss, and I need to use that a top and Mpacho, and Nema Wahanamu. Now, Mona Be Mawo, Ghana, as on quantity, why lonely, and Kolane Peste, Omonana. Eba bestra wo
Okay.
Saa enyama we ya nkuba ya boboso asem ni adade no. Na nanu akọ pension da ebi a ohia saa requirement no. It's na me bisa say eno nso ebe de na ebi a enkwala no because of omo na nati ho di eno nko ani no. Om pese oba no. Me pese me zuru say eno nso ebe de na manana na etini aba abehwe ne nana no.
Sa. What Jimmy question back on Uncle Ben, me na pensioner.
Yeah.
Statement
Very easy. Very easy. It's
okay.
It's the easiest of the process.
Okay.
Can't was story. Ain't yamfana me mame. Okay. Me mame the pensioner. Right? To be invited me mame. Then here. Only income. But of course she eats. Ain't but to America. Yamfana so to Ghana. Only income. Only pension only. But nkwala no sane ni sika. Enti mo money transfer receipts no. Wa born ho modern because I a big Makola woman to a sini dan or team or dan. Ni kun da so te ase o kun or grandchildren. Omo kwa sorry every Sunday or play role ho. The life in for argument's sake we do Ghana. This is a beautiful story. I was a worker. And so because it's the easiest thing to tell, telling a story about him. Because in someone it is the truth. And we'll start. This is an application for Miss Nkunya. Miss Nkunya is a pensioner. She's 75-year-old pensioner, married to Kojo Yaltano. Kojo Yaltano is an 85-year-old man. They're both pensioners. They live in their own house and have lived there for the past 45 years. Mother worked as an educationalist with the Ministry of Education, and she was an inspector when she retired with the account. Mother now relies solely on her children in Ghana and in the UK for support. And dad also does the same. We provided evidence. Mother is traveling to the UK to come and see me, who is a son, my wife, and the grandchildren, and maybe the great grandchildren, because I've got a grandchild, so that would be a great grandchild. Whilst mother is in the UK, mother is going to live with us at our property. We have a 6-bedroom house, and it's only 4 of us who live there. We're sharing the information. I am a bus driver, and I earn £2,500 a month. My wife is a cleaner at a school, and she earns £1,500 a month. Together, there were 4,000. We live with 2 of our sons who are working part-time because they are in university, and this is their income. This is a bank statement. We are buying mom's ticket. However, mom also has another son here who is my brother who lives 2 miles away from me. When mother comes to the UK, mother will be seeing her grandchildren in addition to the great-granddaughter, and also my brother, and will be spending time at my brother's house. Mom will return to Ghana. Mom will return to Ghana because of the following. 1, her husband still lives in Ghana. 2, she owns a property in Ghana. Or she doesn't even own a property in Ghana, but she lives somewhere. 3, she spent all her life in Ghana. 4, mother will have no other records to live in the UK because the application process for mother to live in the UK is non-existent. And 5, mother has been to the UK before, or maybe she hasn't. If she hasn't, where has mother been? Has mother gone to Togo before? Liberia? Was mother a trader? In this case, she was a school teacher. All the things that she's done, the role she plays in her church, you can get a church letter as well, that she is a women's leader or she's still in the choir. And explain that mother's life in Ghana is very rich in the sense that she spends a weekend going to funerals and outdoorings and church, and that is what gives her life. Now, my boy, offer. The American, there was some document support.
Support.
Mam dying, mam your pensioner, mama worry, Nico Tiase, mam wonkola, mam ba or benya baby atna, my property, my bank statement, my pay slips, my wife pay slips, bibia, nkolano, or my birth certificate in the possibly nkolana short letter. Dear sir, I am Owusu. I am 10 years old. I want my grandmother to visit me because I have never met my grandmother. When she comes, I'll be going to the park with my grandmother.
Wow.
Something beautiful. And for me, it is being innovative and creative because the story is already there. The first will be a pensioner, will be a cocoa farmer, will be a trader or Macaulay interest in his or visiting UK. And I've never accepted that. So that is the reason he said, dear all ye ni sika, a ye wuna ye usika. And to say ye usika, when I walk story na mano with evidence, now would you approve, sir? Obey to me, Amanaba. And I don't see say a difficult crowd.
Wow. Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. Letter idea, yay. My recording in natural. Hey, Miss Ramo, open story, Uncle Ben, atre. Obi see nice templates. Me dem pesca samo intimate Tom. Miss Ramo, Momo, what the share program, ne mammy, why? Na young queen, more friend or WhatsApp number, no say, yeah, WhatsApp only. WhatsApp only voice note, no. Miss Ramo, mo pick, mo frɛ wɔ hɔ a mean to me ɛmfa nti menya sisi a more than 4 missed calls. Bomodi ana Fred the first 2 numbers no eno na ibetumi ama wo moaye e wo ho eye 0208 123 1016 ana say 0739920848 intimesem uja me voice note dia e wo WhatsApp eye WhatsApp only number we eye 07596620 na eye 154 no de metumi abo ama yeti nti odofo wa ahoma so me pick na afi me nkenka me questions ne kakran so wo board ne so bacho ye browse na o ka se friend ka fra se we gina so ache why
okay me da say ye friend me ajima me say Nottingham
okay
Madam was the program because now I was also struggling to bring my mom into the UK now or retirement.
Oh.
And I'm a program or some. It means me apply But now adding on on retirement security. Yeah, money is how to prove ties to Ghana was very, very difficult. It is a studio program. Me and man, African and Zaka. By next Friday, they know Kuma. Now, my father must.
Oh, Yamin Show. And yes, na pona na wenya no. Yamin Show. Sanity.
Like I said, now we start program. No, we can say sorry, I'm saying I women's fellowship. I'm a very active member and here sorry for J letter.
Okay.
And no what that to be on the account. And I printing a momo statement to get the money. But to me, but to me the amount more than 1,500.
Okay.
You know, and then a boy and I would be cover letter car explaining BDR. It was difficult, but rather than
Nisaka visa no hallelujah. Oh, internet say adia ya be your platform is so no. Obi enya ho mfaso ampa. Yeda se papa yeda se for sharing with us. Why?
You know, this is a direct evidence of process now. Yeah, kind of to depend on by say difficult. You see, your life, you know, your home crop near so more easy. You have to be optimistic. Kakrachi you. Dear my kind, and mamma, as I say, I can only count Momo transfer and then Mama de Amano. Ain't sir, a difficult, and a pushy and call connection man now, Jenny, my phone, my na, a creative problems. Ya said on the attributable. Sir, application letter, ya the better way. Nipa na wabada, ya refuse no twice, you know, in 6 months. This was last year. Yeah, application, I think beginning of the year, or towards the end of the year. Now, this is what I tell people. Say, I was spending time, now perfecting. So we need time, and I just say, yeah, we do. Fakoma lawyer, no nyama. Yes, obe charge you. But because we need time, no lawyer no be charge you. For us, no, to say the crash you can. It's the most easiest thing to tell your story. Well, yes. Because I went to me, I can say, Mommy, but visit me. And I just say, oh, I can't do now. What they can. It may even be some more benefits. So, but okay, because I need my way, you know, both this and I can. Also, household income. The panel, the life, you know, I was spending on Ghana. Because case law, Home Office guidance notes, Nina say, so what's spending most of your time? I will come. That is one of the reasons, sir. Obey me, I can't say me bad. Let's not come chrome because I want to watch through your life. And many of them, yeah, that's say what follow the way to advise.
Yeah, the healthcare or a diabetic into your hospital regularly. Okay. So when you're free, you could go board because why you mama mother. Okay. Internet and so let account so it's not from her hospital. She has to go back.
Okay. All right.
You see the story. What kind of story? Beautifully. And to more beyond you know, you have to be very optimistic. Very, very optimistic. And you'll be optimistic. You'll be one they be glass and half empty. And I've always said, sir, as a people, no, your brain power and then you push here as a people. So we are determined, so this is what I want to do. Now we are willing, so now me, do it. And that is the essence of your program. And internet, week in, week out, week in. Sorry, but now we educating for send empower more. More mobet me money. Of course, and you need mobet me. It be a very, very complex, it be a very legalistic. I don't know. But at the end of the day, see a story. Not just a human into your questions here. Platforms.
Uncle Bear does say, Sanet, we are making impact. Sanet, Unyanim Diana, now so what would you two anamum? Into your questions, Kakra Ewaha, or Hene to four, or say, Uncle, can someone bring her children who are 37 years and 28 years to UK if she has pre-settled status? Yo, yeah, Uncle Ben, everything is doable, you know. You know, back when the 37 years, back when the 28 years, or no more pre-settle. So, or so to me invite you more, and I'll bring bringing them here. Net is omo ba be kan ho. Pacho
So
akonya
more
bi da.
settle on actually or yeah, under the EU rules. Into our appendix E. Number 37, as a warmer before 2020 December. Absolutely, we beat me the omaba. So much 30 years cry. We beat me the omaba. But because omaba 21, one of the eligibility requirements is almost dependent family members. To dependent in this our channel, maybe a fear we see a honote or school and our apprentice and on ejuma to woman no. Sa ni mani nyina okeka ni nyina boma ubetimi de aye na odi aka ho na odi aye. Yes, ubetimi de omaba.
Yo, yeah, that's Men's Cleaning Services. For so say good morning, manye. Yensu ya Joso. Or neba so kakra minim, but say enoya answer. O say she has pre-settled status can bring ya answer we no. Entinom yenko ye name na Helena Akiwumi or say very informative and educative. BWF Solicitors the best. Yeah, that's it. Akilas Bariza or see Baraza who okay say baako bi wɔ so dada Emike hey Emike deɛ no Uncle Ben we deɛ bɛyere o me ho hwe
I say
wa
Amma and her partner Kofi have been married for 5 years. Kofi had a daughter before marrying Amma. The daughter was abandoned by her mother from the age of 2, which meant Kofi became the sole carer for the child since. So why have you taken it off?
okay mame nka afɛ deɛ me ho nti me nkɔ so ɛwɔ big screen so I say Amma and her partner Kofi have been but of Fabra screen so back why na yɛnkan okay have been married for 5 years. Kofi had a daughter before marrying Amma. The daughter was abandoned by her mother from the age of 2, which meant Kofi became the sole carer for the child since then. The biological mother has no contact with the child since. Okay, now Amma wants to apply to come to the UK through the skilled worker route with her partner and the child. Upon documents requested from her lawyer to make her application successful, a DNA was requested, and the outcome was that the presumed biological father, who is Kofi, was not the biological father to the now 12-year-old child. Please advise on what they can do. Advice on what they can do to prove the relation between the child and the presumed father with no access to communication with any of the child's biological family members. Is adoption the only way forward or any other option to enable them travel with the child? Hey, with the case work,
Well, I mean, first of all, a very difficult case. Statistics, it's what this is showing. In our experience, about 10% of DNA confirms fathers and your fathers. So
okay.
that's the statistics available. As a name papa. Unfortunately, that is what it is. So, would you be pass or bar? Sometimes, with me, I DNA, not all the time. However, we DNA, and I say, in yes, we DNA, no, I DNA. Next, I say, depending on what the age, the relationship with the child, then collaborative for relationship in the man. You can draw on being a friend of family life. Okay? Now, biologically connected to the child, but socially and physically, as a child. Yeah, about 4 of these cases, 2 years successful, 2 years successful. 1 year successful were caught. The other one, client withdraw because he was very upset. So, a cheat. And 3, a buy. But arguments was to the effect, yes, or biologically not but and there's evidence. from auto the dean, from baby, auto any school fees, last child I had no 6 years into middle of unfortunately, in this cases, so what they are calling about, there's also the issue of sole responsibility and what we're dealing with. But the bottom line is it's a very complex case. We
Okay.
have more information, explanation of why Colano all the time we're treating as over. And on that a speculative application with more information, with more detailed and explanation. Now, what depending on case law, which sometimes is not helpful, but also use the law itself, as a buffer. Now,
Asɛm o bank Ben ɛnea wakyerɛ mu no saa but time a yɛwo akwalaa no ɛne time a yɛware many years ansa yɛwo akwalaa no nti sɛ year no yɛwo akwalaa no even menyɛ biological as a time of birth no my marriage show sɛ meware maame no long time koraa nso ɔnyim na yɛawo akwalaa no na yɛahwɛ no ɛbɛdu saa pɛmpɛnso yi ɛno no ɛntumi nyɛ evidence enough DNA ebia na sɛ bio ɔbaa no baby nti na okotwa ne ho nim one night stand bi keke no ono kro nim se ebeka ene se one ne kunu wo ho de ne kunu aware no long time ne wo ho na asem ya asi a case we any argument no aya na aye bibia wo ho kakra sa netie ne nyina nim de e wo lawyers ho omo na omo nim what the law says, what the DNA represents, what your biological father represents, and what the law also represents. Into no, nyina ye. Odo for wa homa so mpacho yeti obisa question na minkenkan ye Facebook ne so de kakra.
Me chairman
Ye
on the lawyer
Joso,
no.
ye Joso.
Me pacho the question is quite similar to the more kind of the fans Mrs. Tobacco na o won't have them said na
Pacho peja voice kakra ma me why?
okay what you mean can
Yes.
Mrs. Tobacco say for the past 17 years ago names or won't have one or woman on say Mrs. Sano Sabi when Timia sorry and you also be into no obe card them into no struggle be a try to be hanwa but them say and Timia go see a gas and mecano into no last year na me case almost and one of the benefactor into no and I'm saying you know me try my from be as the committee me be so no we could be going to mean into a free me bro tears in na bro won't have one more ma kwenta ni dwane nti no me hu ne bi mbepem ne nkwa no mbanze be ye media me na ma hu mo sa oni mi sister no sa bepem sa me ya me no ka je mi sister bi afrim isi nkwa no so tia beton no sa be ka me ma no so fie before say wa me ni be free me dik ya apply me manager ma obun sa Canada nti no na as me ntimi nya ho he but for na mpese busa lawyer say isi nkwa na bi den ta ko ma ya mi no afin mo nya 16 years you family member akwanya do hono mo meeting den kra no aba na meeting abo because umbi bi adam so me nche no mo chiwo kuma si bia me na me take care with them ya there because because papa ne gwan for the past 15 years ago mama me so
Nti wo evidence bibia e trese wa na o ne nkwalaa yo yentie ne expert ne beka why
yeah,
okay.
I'm sorry, we'll go through that. And I'm a Maya console. I hope, sir, and Colano, at least, Rombina support, wow, sir, all during the obey. The unfortunate part is, since December, no, omo extended family members, because sister were extended family members, some of your nephews and nieces, and some of your family members. To all those there, now by 2020 December, no, because some of your extended family, no, unfortunately, that's what it is. However, sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ adoption a wobɛtumi family adoption ɛbɛyɛ quicker cost wo kakra but wobɛtumi ayɛ adoption na ɔma bɛyɛ wo mma na wode ɔma ba sɛ no na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ deɛ a that's what you have to do. Why?
Okay, lawyer, we problem ma be hu na ya tan se
no
Okay.
problem
No problem.
akwanya
Yeah.
we the men chama lawyer Richard Munina ya men chama
ojo
Mɛka
so
kyerɛ
pa
wo.
That's it. So what share there?
Oh yeah. Some of the program man, some of the number na fair and can be me no one program. Don't worry.
Mate. Sane no a commenting so no so hia pa nya share
Ah,
them
okay.
kwa. Why?
Smart.
Who
Okay,
do you
thank
say
you.
hello cry? Eboa statistics no why?
All right,
Yeah,
okay.
that's it.
Thank you.
Nyame nhyira.
All right.
Yo, yɛnhwɛ question na ɛwɔ board ne nso kakra. Mewɔ voice note baako nso wɔ ha mɛbɔ na yɛahwɛ but answer na mede ba no yɛnhwɛ wei answer. Akilas Baraza o question no. Ɔsi wow, Uncle Ben, is this all you guys true to put a smile on our faces and we sit at home and make unnecessary oh, Minister will be some question. Okay, give please let's change our attitude. Black man, Ghana man, and me I don't know what you are on about, but ne nyinaa yɛ, thanks for your comment. Anyway, Professor, please, I kindly submit that you abridge the document and open it for sale. Richie Dogwe, me know yeah, document me and I met Ohene to for see let's share yanko so there is a question and it came name say ya kind wo dear no ya kind na yembo voice note no quickly wa ha na afe yenko yenim. Oh, pacho mo sene a ɛyɛ a mo nyɛ we ni kakra na me hu ne ntem mesrɛ mo ani die mo. Pacho Jonathan wa wo frɛ san frɛ bio ma me why. Load yo Uncle Ben ye twɛn sɛ be load awie no pacho near na wo kan about visitor say sɛ bi sɛ nipa kono kra it's on benefit obi aka bi saa akyerɛ me sɛ ɔno benefit so na benefit no ɔwɔ so no nso no ɔnte apɔ wayɛ adwuma kyerɛ sɛ wayɛ adwuma for so many years na unfortunately see a ɔnte apɔ ɛna ɔda benefit so na ɔpɛ sɛ ampa ɔma ne maame nso nyia na onyini ɛsan sɛ ɔyare na akwantuo efiri n'ani so ne nti na ɔpɛ sɛ ohu ne maame because ohun sɛ ne maame edu pɛmpɛn so a sɛbi du sɛbi drasa ɔwɔ ahoɔden mmom na onim say unfortunate event can happen anytime. Enti no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔinvite no ɛde ba. However no ɛnam sɛ ɔwɔ benefit ɛwɔ mu a ɔsɛne ne kakra deɛ but ne sister penny ɛwɔ kuro foforɔ so a ɔno na kyerɛ sɛ ne maame deɛ ɔhwɛ ne yie paa ɔsɛne ne sika a ne sister ne nso ayɛ willing sɛ o sɛ nka ɔbɛba visit wɔ meme hɔ anaasɛ nipa ko a meka n'asɛm ne hɔ no a obetumi ɛwɔ UK no obetumi ama no support with that statement financial and stuff no maame no pro pension or fie or asase and those things or say sorry penny near chese nneoma na yembra yusu ye no dodo na maame ewo bi nti obisa ne pa no no wa ha na ogi benefit na ono ye yarefo no ono nso ye sa akonya invitation na eno nso ne stance anything patcho.
First of all, no, say obj PIP and a disability living allowance. All those kind of soro no, a sika open a to say no say yenya case. My manager PIP, but yeah, you 20 hours. On any vanity, the banner, a masters, but yeah, you part time. The banner 1,500. My manager, man, no, on 950. Benefits are in a month and about 1,850 or mammy no can. What do you need? More household income no is over £4,000 a month. Or savings of £2,000 or person than a mammy. Okay, are possible? Absolutely say possible. Because so what share exactly the income on your the income no go to the savings. I don't know the mammy because the benefits Oma access service no plus the balance so yeah adwuma onya 1,500 a month ni nyina ka ho nti obiara circumstance are different so we are carer we are disabled or benefits so income now no third party support under the guidance notes some friend a sponsor no it be support too, but it has to be a genuine offer of support. To nipa na or support to nipa na or benefits no or your one year. Maybe or your family friend, maybe or your family member, maybe a church member. Asɔre no, yeah, no more brad. Within our culture, no, we are supposed to support each other. And
Okay.
to be support to no was our relationship now. Nipa na mo ni kaya here or the support to wow the benefit no. But yes, we bet me the benefit. Now I invite you because
Okay.
within the benefit rules, you know, so we savings number a certain threshold, which is 16,000, you can continue to receive your benefit. And obi wa a benefit, but still not with savings kakra, obi timi am ne maame ana papa ana ba ana ne kunu abesra no. And those are the things that you know also kika income ne nyina bom. Now we have deductions, which is the daily living expenditure or monthly or weekly. Now we more balance I don't know because your bank statement does not lie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Sanity. Yɛnhwɛ voice note no nso ne we ɛyɛ anadodoɔ na nkurɔfoɔ ɛnya nimdeɛ ɔmofo sɛ ɔda benefit na kyerɛ sɛ there is nothing koraa a obɛtumi ayɛ nso ɛnɛ anka bɛn mahu sɛ akwanya wɔ hɔ ɛno asɛ wobɛtoto wo nneɛma yie. Yɛntie wei ɛ.
Good morning. Yeah, Mpacho, my question koma ankara. Bese me find out say obi nya pre-settled status na nimba wa Ghana baako wɔ 37 years na baako
Oh,
wɔ
okay.
28 years.
Ɛno na ɔtrɔ baeɛ no yɛansɛ no dada nti no yɛntie wei so.
Hello, Manye. Good morning. Uncle Ben, good morning. The Monsignor, my palm, Obama committee. I mean, Happy New Year to you all. Quick question about coming with Sama, my friend, back. Combacho, or apply for settlement visa. I'm an about Ghana, and the ban on 9 years. Na our visa no our pesa kwan but o say onya ho enkon go fa kwan because o matu ha on timi nya wi afa single mother. Na o pese nkoma host be for edom ba. Number 10 no procedure na it says so ba o Ghana na pese o de ma flight ba it say one. And the two ne ba no ya man settlement indefinite or ba no. Ma me no so indefinite no. O pese go ba nko bet ma apply place passport ma akwa after 1 year. Ba ma me no say on timi nye life in the UK in English test no no na do bit my team maybe that's in the ban do 1 year on the independent with my British passport. That's the question that's in what my
Uncle Ben, Pacho,
Well,
Oti.
yeah. Mr. Bebre, so we'll apply for Akola because of previous history and problems with abduction and abuse of children. Omu hia, even Akola Bavis, Omu hia guardian waha. Nipa only need to cry. I crucial. Would him say to me, I meant for within questions or something I'm a crack of fun about. Ubet me, I had the opposite yebi, or do Ghana airport or number. Unfortunately, and we see that a lot. I've had instances that nipa do now before front of the deal was if as an mame, but when you're done for be or by yourself and number. Airline you're okay with it, but Ghana immigration man. Airline you receive you. Oh yeah, I was okay. Opako. Who do immigration from because almost duty. So make sure say, Sena, I buy and share evidence of nipa ebe fana bana or they share computer na so. Sana was eba. Ubedu answer will be a problem. Say a nyawo na wasa with akola no ba. It's always the case. So we be sure say. So we din a waso a. So we nim say won kola mi no nkofa na. Na di say we di within so. Whatever it is no. I was say more modern. Na uti conform because all tour tickets no could do airport immigration for no ma. It's always been the case. In Timoma, very, very careful. Why? What it may be that you may have to change visa or may apply someone's visa. No, I'm for insurance. So it is hard to say what
Sonnet, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's yeah, well, just about a few minutes, so I'll invite our dear sister, lawyer Deborah, now on us, Bema and summary, but and son or Beba with the English version of the whole concept and a tray, you know. Now, Obi Bisa say, please, can I ask a question regarding the nurses' application route to work in the UK? Is it true that this is ending in February 2023? Meaning, which one are you talking about? Nurses' application, yeah, were different types. And you know, say, okay, carers application, and now can say because rumor be was system name say it's ending February 2023. nanso yenya confirmation bia wo home office na home office otie yem previous education na yede aba na nyina no home office ebeyi say charges bi e wo saa de ne ho enti se omo yiye free ho a na che se omo botai no enkyerɛ sɛ omo yiye free ho ana but confirmation ebeba enche bia however no say woyɛ psychiatric nurse ana mental health nurse na wo Ghana na wopɛ sɛ wobɛyɛ adwuma wobɛnya adwuma wɔ ha nyame adom mini NHS trust adwuma baako bi enya ho nhyehyɛeɛ sɛ woyɛ mental health nurse ana psychiatric nurse pɛ ɛna metumi aboa wo application process no nneɛma a wobɛfa so a wobɛyɛ ade a wobɛyɛ 1 or 2 a yɛbɛyɛ ne nyinaa ama wo na ama wo employment no ɛwɔ ha ɛwɔ hɔ nti sɛ wohia saa information ne dia yɛwie a Bomodiana send a message on 075. Send a WhatsApp message and frame me. Say, ube frame me after 4 because I'll be in class. Enti 075. Sorry, send a message to 075 WhatsApp message 96620 075 96620 Send hi. Na kan problem na adekode a wohwehwe no kan wo ho no mema or reply. Don't call me before 4 o'clock. Miss Ramoni Diemo. Afenso ye teacher ni a meka ho asem ba mema me nua ba no akonya na on for the English version or the summary in the English no embrace ye na yentumi and sorry ye na so ne enko. So Lawyer Deborah, please if you can do that for me, I will appreciate that a lot.
Thank you, Mandy. So the topic we treated today was how to make your visa application successful with a professionally written sponsorship letter. So first of all, there's no right of appeal when it comes to visitors' visas. So it's very important that when you're making the application that you do it properly. So there's different types of visitors. There's general visitors. So this includes a marriage visitor, standard visitor, or a child visitor. We also have family visitors, approved business engaged visitors. So if you fall into one of these categories, you can go ahead to see whether you meet the requirements. So the visitors' requirements are found in Appendix V, Appendix V 4.1. So there's the eligibility requirements, the validity requirements, suitability requirements. So the main topic that Lawyer Bennard was treating was in regards to the genuine visitor requirements. So when you're coming to visit the UK, you have to prove that you're coming as a genuine visitor. So what will you put in the sponsorship letter? So you need to prove or show that when you come, for example, you meet the financial requirement, which is that you'll be able to maintain yourself. So you have to break down all the costs. So for example, your flight costs, etc. You also have to show the accommodation. So who it is that you'll come to stay with, for example, an auntie, an uncle, tenancy agreement, the purpose of your visit. Again, evidence, you need to prove this. You also talk about previous travels, for example, if you've traveled before. So the main thing is that whatever you're saying and whatever story you're putting together into your sponsorship letter, you must back it with evidence. So whether it's pay slips, bank statements, tenancy agreements, birth certificates, you must show that everything that you're stating can be backed with evidence. Otherwise, this can cause issues with your application. And also, honesty is very, very important as well. Candor, as Lawyer Bernard was saying earlier on, it is very, very important that you are honest in your application. And hopefully, if you follow the discussion, you'll be able to make a successful visa application. Thank you.
Thank you, our trainee solicitor, Deborah. Nyame Enshao. So, senior na me answer na mema Uncle Ben akonya na onfa the last note na embrace no. mesa bɔ kaye say we a student na ope say we switch way na o student visa no to skill worker route na akonya ewo ho saa nso na teachers no nso de no omo ahya ase enti no it's not just straightforward application. Teachers there no is similar to the nursing program no enti no untumi ntina ho keke say meye ope akonya na bomodia na send me a message no ye be kire okwan a wo se wo fa so na nso betumi abekire ade all subjects betumi abekire ade e wa ha afen so no maka nursing there na ye mental health nurse and psychiatric nurse so we specialize in that area na ene akonya wo ho sisi a me ne o ka say o send me message a me kire ade a o se wo ye saa nso na dodo na ebisa say IELTS test no B1 say wo pese wo ye British citizenship wo ye indefinite and say wo tro B1 no na wo de apply for carer route na say we are KT Ed Consult for so e wo ho on betumi aboa dodo na ya ade e wo ho no omo go through the school no a omo tro mo we no omunya good marks a utimo say so eni ankasa enti no mombo modia en contact KT Ed Consult for na omo teachers na especially wo pese o ye teacher ni a onim kwan a consult them. They will give you the guidelines, the procedure wo hia o say wo ye na onso umbetre ade wo kroma akwanya na nti no medam ase Uncle Ben say aha na emre be ma ye nkwan na e biedwumedie no abewie ye hu say client dodo na ete ho twen Uncle Ben nti na Uncle Ben den na wo de beja ye nkwan ansa na wo asori ona so akọ.
Okay, I mean, first of all, no, say obi say or invite in once I was legally, so we student wa I would definitely stay. And as we skilled worker, we need definitely stay. When you are to invite you, once I was legally, we to invite you be more best. We invite you be for Mr. Per document, supporting documents, na faka ho. Letter I'll be track ho. Yeah. Application form no. Kwan bebree ni so a wo be kyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma bi ani. Esiamo mamo ntum pasa so kɛkɛ. Sɛ wayɛ wode wei aka ho, wakɔfa credit card statement, driver's license. Saa nneɛma no nyinaa ho yi. Adeɛ a ɛho hia yɛ bank statement. Nipa no wɔ baabi te a wode ne nyinaa bɛka ho. Titiriw deɛ ɔba abɛyɛ, ebiom ɛwɔ sɛ wɔkyerɛ wɔ mu sɛ dɛn na kyerɛ sɛ ɔba a wɔbɛkɔ. Dɛn na kyerɛ sɛ ɔba a wɔbɛkɔ no, yɛ law na ɛwɔ ha no ebisa. Guidance no ebisa. Case law ebisa. Ti ɛho yi. Sɛ adeɛ a wogye tom sɛ ɔba a wɔbɛkɔ no, wo nyansan twerɛ to paper no so. Na fa documents no ho na upload. Sɛ wontumi a wobɛtumi aba na yɛaboa wo. Sɛna mo BWF Solicitors, ɛnyɛ immigration ko ara na yɛyɛ family law, yɛyɛ civil litigation. Sɛ mowɔ problem with any legal issues a mobɛtumi afrɛ BWF Solicitors. Yɛn number no yɛ 0208 493 7340. 0208 493 7340. Say emergency, so I can emergency, I mean emergency. We can have 07712 761 884 0012 761 884. I hope, sir, China Fante QC or original Charles Asma, the lawyer with a Fante accent, a teacher, I don't know, or international teacher. To a child accent to say, to almost headmaster socks, everybody omukubi so no. So I know the China Fante QC. Well, see, then QC be a Casey because you were Ken in the yeah, Professor Asma, Echina, Munchian will have 4 o'clock on it, original Owusu. Omo me bia ehunya ama community no. Ume na kind of na yusua de na contribute. Na ye fam boy. Na ye we kire no, ye nim se ni na be. Say you ya utie na ono ade aye no. That is the essence of this program. Nyame mo Echina, ye be san share.
Yo, Uncle Bayansu yada say a tune safre or no, waba betray, na you home visitors visa, na a moon in and out, the in depth of it, senior obeya, a bear successful, Edia Mouse, Annie, a penno. Emma, it's not the first time we are teaching this one and educating the public about this. We've done it before, and Ubi Asher so Edia, ya, or no senior, I successful, no, nema me eba, or see Friday, ya, Edinyamiasi. So, please keep on sharing and liking the page. Subscribe to our pages. No, any notification, no, so me any program be a bebano on Sabeka. However, me who said do na nipa 3 messages eba. How do we get the copy of the letter na Uncle Ben ni betre? Me say me de Jessica. Anthony, yes, very soon to be uploaded on their website. But make sure you subscribe to the website. BWF Solicitors mo Facebook we no subscribe to the channel na we member or when you go to their website then so me upload na wait to me akwa nyesa me block upload na me amaton oba enye sika kese o frema ti me de nya copy na ma sure say my account ni fatu wanza ni nyina isika se ma ke me me ya adwen dia ya na mama me go ahead oni adofo ha na de adwumedie no ebebe ewie ye gidi se weni aso weni agi ewo ne ye de ba ye ho nti saa se weni aso eni agi wo ho dia wonkwa enchemfa. Even after the program you can still keep on sharing na enkwe chichichichi my hand blood osimanya you are looking over young me da say Helena Akiwumi mami yenso ye da say Sandra and so ye da say please tomorrow the community and the law and me akan wa say me kan be brain the community and the law so be baso Ayochna, ya papa sir Charles, the teacher himself, and na oreku obedimu akutine na omonso subject I wo no ye betrechre. So question be na ode bae na mentimi mbisa fache me nyame adoma utie ochna obehun say ye bebisa wo ho no ede ama nyame nkan o nyame nshraye. Have a lovely weekend and make sure you wouldn't do what I wouldn't do. Nyame nshraye next week that's ene ye besen hia mediani magneti me mamu nyina. Bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.